Okay, so today we have topic from electrostatics, which is electric field lines or electric lines of forces. We know that the electric field lines actually are the lines which depict or gives the idea about the electric field due to a charge or area of domain around the charge, and this is the diagrammatic representation of this electric field, which means the lines which are straight or curved, मतलब लाइन सीधी भी हो सकती है, टेढ़ी भी हो सकती है, along which unit positive charge tends to move. Let us first draw field lines due to the point charges, and in that point charges, first let us take the positive point charge. So we are having this plus sign, like, then we make outline, and the lines which are drawn are perpendicular over the surface. It is to be taken into account. Similarly, if negative charge, negative, then it has a certain domain, and then the arrow which are drawn over here also perpendicular. Only thing is, in positive, away from the surface, over here towards the surface. Same way, if we can have the field lines due to the two equal and opposite kind of dipole, then it starts from positive and ending towards negative, starts from positive. And if the two similar charges we have, and let's say same amount, same magnitude, then positive and positive, so field lines are starting away from the charges, but what is happening, they are not at all interacting with each other. Sorry, they are not meeting with each other, because they are interacting with each other, and so these lines are curved. So this way we can draw the field lines. Then we can have certain characteristics of field lines or properties of field lines. Hope it's clear. So let us remove this. Properties of electric field lines. For this, we can have first and foremost, which is these are the imaginary lines, which means these lines are not real lines. Not only imaginary lines, they always starts from North Pole and moves towards the South Pole, but the condition is outside the magnet or outside the charge, right? Then second is, if a tangent is drawn on these curves, the tangent gives the direction of electric field at that point. Then third is, they never intersect each other. Never intersect each other. It means if they will intersect, then what happens? Let's say these are the two lines which are intersecting at certain point, because just we have done the tangent over there will give us the direction of field. So what we find, there can be more than two field lines at the same point, which is practically not possible. So they never intersect each other. And then if the number of field lines are more, generally it represents stronger would be the electric field also, right? And in general, they are continuous in nature, but but do not form closed loop. Do not form closed loop because it starts from positive, let's say, and moves towards the negative charge. So it's continuous from positive to negative, but it does not happen that it is from negative to positive. That is why it does not form the closed loop. And this is the some basic idea about the electric field lines or electric lines of voltage. Thank you so much.